Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at the Ryobi One Plus 18 volt 18-inch cordless battery hedge trimmer. This version has a blade of 18 inches long and it uses 18 volts for its power at a speed of 2600 strokes per minute. And it has a cut capacity of up to 5/8, and it is plenty for most uses. It has dual action blades, and best of all, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty. So let's unbox it first. The blade is well protected with the cardboard, so it arrived intact. It comes with this sheet of paper where you can register your tool and also get to know how many tools you can use with the same batteries. And there are other tools to consider. Then you have the operator's manual, so please read it before using it. Then you have another document with more information. It is lightweight and compact at 4.5 pounds plus the battery, either the 2.0 or the 4.0, and it adds about 1 pound. The blades are nicely apart so you can cut down easily. This is a tool-only version since there's an option where you can get the tool and the battery at the same time. On a separate video, I will show you the batteries I've used on it. Please see the comments below for the link for that video. As you can see, even if you try to put the battery the wrong way, you can't. There's only one way to do it. And just push it all the way in until it clicks into place. And here is the small battery, and this flushes in with the tool. And the battery is easy to take off by pressing both sides and pulling it away from the tool. When it comes to the bigger battery, it lasts longer and it's a little bit heavier, but not much different. And this is semi-flushed into the tool, as you can see. To turn on the trimmer, it has a 2-step to do so. You have to use both hands. And like I said earlier, you can use it with the left or right, it's up to you. And once you let go of one side, the tool turns off. If you press on one or the other, the tool will not turn on, as you see. So now on these clips, I'm showing you the before I do the trimming. And now we can see how easy it is for the trimmer to get rid of the excess of leaves. I think the trimmer does a great job. I've used it several times and I like it. I do like that it's easy to use on either hand. It can be a bit loud, but I use my earbuds or my headphones and I'm okay with it. And if it does stop with a thicker branch, all I have to do is pull the tool away and keep going. The small battery lasts enough time for me to trim the bushes around my house, and it gives me enough charge to go to the neighbors and do theirs. So it lasts plenty of time to get the job done. It's easy to handle and use, and best of all I have to do is take off the battery, put back the plastic protection on it, and put it away. And next time, just take it out, put the battery on, and it's ready to work. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to do so. I will respond as soon as I can. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.